Beautiful Chaos. Trying to Make Sense of It All. By James Lee Bryant. Poetry is not some esoteric or arcane talent. It is found in the correspondence of life and language. It is the unity of spirituality and logic. Poetry is simply the everyday gossip of the heart. With that being said, let's have a heart-to-heart conversation. Beautiful Chaos is a collection of poetry and verses by James Lee Bryant. The collection depicts the evolving emotions and perspectives of the author throughout his life. Love, race, spirituality, acceptance, and faith are prevalent themes. Beautiful Chaos is now available at Amazon. Grab your copy today.